Bristell traffic, Bristell 9011 is rolling 16 overhead departure to the north, Bristell. Static RPM, test pressure green, airspeed's alive. 48 for 955. There she goes, that's better. And flaps can come up. And manifold pressure's back. And RPMs can come back. Rotax and Tamar River traffic, Bristell 9011 is airborne off Rotax. Overhead departure to the north to Bridport, Rotax and Tamar River.
Bridport traffic, Jabiru 8047, currently 2 miles northeast of the field at 2,500, tracking coastal for Devonport. Bridport traffic.
By aircraft 22 miles to the northwest of Hobart, southbound, Hobart approach duration. By aircraft 7 miles north of Mangalore, southbound, Hobart approach duration. Velocity 1320, descend by a start at 3,700, speed RMP Whiskey approach.
3,700 and cleared to the RMP Whiskey approach, runway 30, velocity 1320.
Bridport traffic, Bristell 9011 is 10 miles to the south, 3,300 will be overflying and tracking to the east, northeast, and time over the top will be 39er Bridport. Jabiru 8047, Bristell 9011, do you copy?
Yes, Jabiru 8047, copy. Bristell 9011, I'll be tracking coastal for Devonport, 2,500, remaining at that height.
Roger, thanks. Yeah, got you on ADSB, but didn't have the altitude readout. So, yep, I'll stay at 33. Cheers.
Cheers, thank you.
Bridport traffic, Bristell 9011 is currently over the top, 3,300 tracking north coastal Bridport.
Foxtrot 755 30 Euro ETA for Cabana.
Mike Echo Hotel, landed Dubbo, and Sandwich, g'day.
Mike Echo Hotel, your Dubbo Sandwich 2 Echo.
Delta Centre, here with India, airborne off runway. Delta Centre, here with India, with 3PRD, standby departure.
Here with India 3641, no report on start traffic.
3641, here with India.
Approximate 75, 7 dual course, wind is on, your fin is on, so time for arrival is cancelled.
Thanks for your help.
Oh, it's just our frequency from our please, just in case there's other issues.
For sure, thank you. G'day, uniform Blue Yankee, I5 Canada, PB2 taxiing King Island, form rapid runway 10.
On station DMED 02's mission New South Wales West, DMED 03, Gulf South Australia. Uniform Blue Yankee, g'day, 4257, Airport iPad track.
4257, uniform Blue Yankee.
Sure, which unique on flight of 250.
Con flight level 250, here, working you. G'day, 64, 63, sub 349, taxiing Narendra, Sydney, runway 14.
6463, g'day, 3730. There's no report iPad track.
Caution, terrain.
3730, 6462.
Caution, terrain ahead.
Open rate, contact center 122.75 today.
12275, remain today.
Very g'day, uniform Blue.
Papa Romeo Kilo, contact me 122.1.
122.1, Papa Romeo Kilo. Departure.
Like 27 identified, cleared to Berg, track by Hummick, planned route on flight 180, verified.
Quick third by Hummick, flight level 180, passing 4,900, flight 30,000. Centre Papa Romeo Kilo, maintaining 130,000.
Papa Romeo Kilo, thanks traffic for your arrival, not yet on frequency, inbound from Melbourne, Saab Rex 3656, estimating military at that time 42.
Saab Rex 3656, 42, Papa Romeo Kilo.
Delta Lonnie Tank to Lonnie via Avoca, visual departure, climb to 7,000,
Squawk 4073, departure frequency 123.8.
Caution, terrain
Good.
ahead.
5 Airborne to the glade.
The brakes are off, undercarriage down and locked.
Done someone's read back there, confirm that you're reporting as well.
Mixtures rich.
Reported Airborne, Victor Juliet Papa.
Thank you, report clear as well.
The pump's on. Fuel is sufficient. And selected instruments are in the green. Switches are still on, just now it's secure.
Caution, terrain ahead.
Rostella traffic, Bristell 9011's entering a left base. 16 full stop, Rostella.
Victor Juliet 5, clear of the zone.
Strip apart, interchange approved.
Change through Victor Juliet Papa.
Rostella traffic, Bristell 9011's left base, 16 full stop, Rostella.
Traffic north of Launceston, helicopter Victoria Papa currently at Tamar Island at 1,000 feet, tracking down the river for Clarence Point. All traffic north of Launceston.
Copy that, and Bristell 9011 just on, turning final, 16 Rostella. Cheers.
Thanks for that, have a good one.
You too, beautiful day for it.
Contact approach airborne, clear for takeoff, make right turn.
Pitch is fine and fuel flap, carbid's gone.
Details monitor, total only fire order, visual departure, climb to 8,000, squawk 3623, departure frequency 163.8.
FTAR identified and retracted, trims are back up.